This is a review video of the Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray. For coffee makers and heavy kitchen appliances. I purchased this item because I needed an easy and stylish way to access my kitchen appliances without constantly lifting or dragging them across my countertop. I like to use this tray for my coffee maker and air fryer. It slides smoothly from under the cabinet, giving me quick and quiet access to my appliances while protecting my countertops from scratches. Some of the features include a full countertop motion with quiet rubber wheels, a compact 13 by 10 and a half size that's perfect for smaller appliances, and an elegant, durable design made with environmentally friendly materials. It's available in different sizes to suit various kitchen needs, making it incredibly versatile. So my final thoughts? The Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray is a must-have kitchen accessory. It combines functionality with style, helping you keep your space organized and making everyday tasks more convenient. Highly recommended.